Hey, this is Dave with AllProWebTools, and I'm going to be showing you how your employees can clock in from their smartphone and how you can see a map of where they were standing when they clocked in. Pulling up our phone and our AllProWebTools management console. And this is the AllProWebTools smartphone app that you can download onto any phone. And once you get logged in, you're going to click on the menu and go to Timecard. And here you're going to click Clock In. And you can pick the time that you're clocking in for. And that's it, you're clocked in. So now we can go over to the AllProWebTools console and we can load the page to see what our staff is doing. And we see a clock in here by Dave. And we can see that he is in Sunnyvale, California right now. And if we want to see that location, we can click there and we can see exactly where he's located. So now we're going to go back to Dave's time card and he's going to clock out. And we're going to have him clock out at 12:30. And now he's going to be asked to put in some notes of what he was doing during that time. So now he's got a punch in at 12 p.m. and a punch out at 12:30 p.m. and here are the notes on what he was doing at that time. So now Dave's going to clock in again, and this time he's going to clock in for 1 o'clock. And now we'll check and see where he's at this time. We'll just reload this page. Oh, now he's in Cupertino. So we can click on that and we can see his location. Now at the end of the day, you can click here where it says View Map of all the locations. And we can see where he started and where he ended up. And that's all there is to it. So this feature works on both the desktop version of AllProWebTools and on the smartphone app. And all you want to do is in the desktop version, make sure that the browser is set to show location. And for the AllProWebTools smartphone app, you can have that installed for each of your staff. And as they go about their day, clocking in and out, putting notes on what they did, you will have that information of where they were located, and you will be able to have better time management for your company.